Welcome to NASA Space News, your daily premier source for space exploration, innovation, and astronomy news and updates. SpaceX is installing the thrust simulator under Starship 20 for testing. In order to do this test, they need to remove the 3 Raptors and mount the thrust simulator, so they can perform the cryogenic proof test. In this test, they simulate the extreme cold of liquid methane and oxygen propellant to verify there is no risk and avoid explosions. They are also preparing to move BN4 to get enough space on the tower while installing the QD arms. Orbit Fab to launch propellant tanker to fuel satellites in geostationary orbit. Orbit Fab, a startup offering a refueling service in space, will launch a propellant tanker to geostationary orbit on a SpaceX Falcon 9 lunar lander mission projected for late 2022 or early 2023. NASA urged to avoid space station gap. NASA needs to ensure that commercial space stations are ready before the International Space Station is retired to avoid a space station gap with geopolitical consequences, industry officials and other advisors warn. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for all future updates.